Hello guys, welcome to 1am data stream. In this video, we'll have a guide to Azure Data Factory's integration runtime. So let's see what is integration runtime. Just think of an integration runtime as an engine that powers data movement and transformation in Azure Data Factory. It helps to process and transform the data between the source and destination. Let's see what's the key features of integration runtime. It provides a computing power to process ADF code. Integration runtime provides computing resources needed to run the pipelines, m- move the data and process it, and also to process the ADF code. Second, the cost is associated on the data integrational units used, that is DIUs. The more data you process, the more it costs. The cost is calculated based on the data integration units, which measures processing power. Power can be specified in a copy activity. You can set how much power, that is DIU, you want when you're copying the data in ADF. The more DIU, you use, the faster the data movement. But this also comes with a higher cost. Then it allows own machine nodes to be attached to self-hosted integration runtime, that is SHIR. If you don't want to use Azure's default integration runtime, you can install self-hosted integration runtime on your on-prem machine. The self-hosted integration runtime can be shared between multiple ADFs. A single self-hosted integration runtime can be used by different ADF instances, making it reusable and efficient. Supports legacy SIS packages. If you are using SQL Server Integration Services, that is SSIS, it helps run those old SIS workflows in Azure. Let's see what are the advantages of this self-hosted integration runtime. Self-hosted integration runtime node stays inside the company's network, ensuring security. This means the machine, the self-hosted integration runtime machines stay inside our company's network, keeping our data secure and private. Secondly, you can install additional drivers for the better connectivity. It means they are flexible. It has flexibility to upgrade drives to connect to on-prem systems. You can you can install additional drives like an .NET drive for the SAP to connect to a specific database or to services. Enable monitoring and controlling within the organization. Since SH, since self-hosted integration runtime is inside your network, its team, its team can be monitored, secure, and manage it easily. Let's see what is a real-world example look like. Imagine you have a SQL database inside in your company's network and you need to copy data from it to Azure Data Lake. If you use Azure here, you're going to you have SQL database inside your company's network. So your company's database is SQL database, and you want to copy the data from it to Azure Data Lake. So if you're using like Azure integration runtime, it cannot access your company's private network. So with the help of self-hosted integration runtime, you can install it on a company's machine, allowing it to access the internal database and send the data securely to Azure. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more content.